Let's find 4 consecutive even integers whose sum is negative 124. Integers, so it's just positive and negative numbers, not fractions, not decimals. Consecutive even means no matter where you're starting, you're going up by 2s. So the numbers we're looking for are n plus 2, n plus 4, and n plus 6. So like 2, 4, 6, 8. If the first number is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. We don't know what the first number is, but we do know that if we add all these together, it's supposed to add up to negative 124. So that just makes it even a little harder to do a guess and check with. You can. I don't, in case the magic's not working today, I like to have a different method for doing it. So let's put all the n's together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And the numbers add up to 12. 2, 4, 6, that's 12, and that equals negative 124. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. 4n equals negative 136. And then divide both sides by 4. And we end up with n equals negative 34. So that's the first number. Now to get the other 3, super easy. Just count up by 2s, but you're going up by 2s. So it's going to be negative 34, negative 32, negative 30, and negative 28. If you want to check, you should check your work if this is something that's graded, but go ahead and add those together. It's going to be negative 124.